door and window frames. From a thermal perspective, doors and windows are key elements. On the one hand, they provide solar energy to buildings free of charge, but on the other hand, they are also the envelope's weak points, because this alters the insulation and wind tightness solution for the building facade. Not only is it impossible to maintain the thermal transmittance values we have in the walls, but they also have a double linear thermal bridge in the joints between glass and frame and wall. Because of this, there must be meticulous definition in every detail of the joinery work. The building's original joinery work was made of painted wood and held single panes of glass. It was decided to install mixed aluminium laminated wood joinery, Uni 1 by Blas Recio, specifically the Termo Escudo model, that would allow visual integration with the rest of the buildings, while at the same time both attaining the high performance required and preventing maintenance costs. In a passive house building, all the joinery must be certified. That is, they must pass tests that ensure that their performance is sufficient to meet the certification requirements based on two main criteria: comfort, no surface may have a temperature lower than 17 degrees, and hygiene, that it prevents the occurrence of condensation on even the coldest days. For a window to be certified, it must have a thermal transmittance value of less than 0.8 watts per Kelvin per square meter and less than 0.85 after installation. It has triple glazing with magnetronic surface treatment and low emissivity coating. The argon-filled cavities and the hot spaces made of plastic and stainless steel prevent the usual condensation at the edge of the pane. This element can lead to an improvement of up to 10% in the window's thermal performance. Correct window installation is key to the success of the entire building block. On the one hand, we must ensure the continuity of insulation. Note that the joinery is not supported by the wall itself, but is fitted into tri-squares that allow us to place it on the same plane as the layer of insulation. Moreover, the seal provided by the continuity with the wall's layer of insulation must be ensured, as it provides wind tightness and water tightness and allows us to control vapor diffusion. This seal is achieved by installing various membranes, both inside and out. It's highly recommended that joinery work be delivered pre-mounted from the workshop in order to minimize problems arising from poor construction on site. When you leave the classroom, compare the joinery work of the frame, if you can, with the doors in block number 5, which meet the high demands in the latest building code. You'll see how many centimeters a window eligible for certification can have for this standard.